Oh yeah, there we go. Definitely not a gar. I can rule that out. I think we got a bass, yeah. Not terrible. It's not big by any means, but I'll definitely take it. Oh, it's not actually that bad. He's a pound. On the jerkbait, guys. Been getting a lot of gar bites, and I don't want those. Not a bad little jerkbait spotted bass. I need to give the crappie jig a chance after this, maybe. Got him out, finally. Good God. Not a bad fish. He's right at a pound, like I said. Nothing to brag about by any means, but I'm on the board finally after 40 minutes of fishing. Oh my God, big bass. Whoa. Now that's what I'm talking about. That is a gigantic spotted bass. Wowzers. Holy hell. Wow. Now that helps. He was in a very shallow hole too, guys. Probably 2 foot deep at the most. Not your typical hole right now this time of year. I gotta get pliers out for him. He really gorged this swim bait big time. Now that helped my day right there. Almost made it worth coming now. I just need some more species. I had my chance at my bonus species, which would have been bowfin. But if I could get a nice crappie, or another chance at a bowfin, or a big largemouth, white bass, something like that, some kind of bonus, then it would really, really make my day. Alright, heck yeah, man. He's 1.75 pounds anyway. That's a nice spotted bass, man. I'm starting to think this lure was going too shallow, but it really ain't. That's a pretty big spotted bass. It's pretty nice. Heck yeah, let's get her back in. Wow. Not bad. That really. Oh my God. I just had a giant bass right in front of me, man. Got him. Heck yeah. Right by the bank, guys. Right by the bank. Okay, he's not giant, but he's a pound. He hit so hard I thought he he was a lot bigger than what he turned out to be, I guess. That's fish number 3 or 4, I think 4. All spotted bass is all I've landed. The only species I've landed all the way in is the spots. No largemouth as of yet. No other species all the way in. Almost a bowfin, but not quite. Man, I keep having to get my plier. Every fish I have to get off with pliers. Crazy, man. Unreal. And once again, I gotta straighten out my damn hook. Absolutely crazy, man. Another spotted bass. I think that's number 3. He's the second or third biggest. As soon as it hit the water, guys, my gosh. That jerkbait, I didn't even start reeling it in, and he was on there. Another spot right at a pound. Right at a pound. Right at a pound once again. I literally did not even start reeling yet, guys. Crazy. I may be able to get one more. They're still in that current for sure at this time of the year for another week or 2. And then they'll kind of spread out on you where you really don't know where they're at. And then they're going to be in that calm water. Once October hits, they will be in that calm water, unless you get a really hot couple days in the month of October. That's where they're going to be, in these small streams. Bass number 5. No real giants yet, no 3-pounders. But these fish ain't been that bad. They're all almost all a pound or bigger anyway. Let's see if I can get one more from that same exact spot. I almost need to be over here, behind the tree. There we go. Is that a smallmouth? No, spotted bass, just very brown looking. It's like a brownish yellow color when he first came out anyway. About 9. Pretty small fish. somewhat of an evening bite anyway, just nothing big. Smaller fish today for some reason, for the most part, except for gar, another 10-inch spotted bass. Definitely be able to pull something out of this hole, guys. Hopefully a big fish to reward me at the end of the day. That's what I'm hoping for, a big surprise at the end. Something to finish the day with. There he is, got a big bass, big bass. Oh my God. He pulled me into that tree. There we go, largemouth. No, that is a giant spotted bass. It's not even a largemouth. Oh my God. Oh my God. What a freaking tank. Right when I said that, guys. Right when I said I can get something to end the day with, and this fish right here was my reward for patience and virtue right there. That is the fish I've been after, at least something of that caliber. Holy hell, man. What a fish. Wow. What a hell of a spotted bass. Easily 2 pounds, maybe even breaking 2.5. He's 2.5 pounds, guys. That is a chunk. Absolute chunker. Oh my God. I gotta hurry up. I only got about 10 good minutes. Another one out of that root wad. I was doing a twitch and go retrieve. That's another 2-pounder. Holy hell, man. This one's really pretty with red eyes. Oh yeah, man. Wow. That's 2 nice fish before dark from the same root wad, and it is only 24 inches deep at most. I got him as soon as my lure hit the water. I just started twitching it. Made it look like a dying minnow, and that's what it took. Now I'm hung and I gotta go out and get my lure and spook them. Well, so much for that, guys. I definitely won't be getting any more from there. Gosh dang it. Fish. That's gonna haunt me all evening, and that bowfin, of course. But all in all, guys, I had a fun day. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Catch you on the next video. We're getting ready to get 3 inches of rain, so my guess is my next video will be down there at the cypress swamp at the double gutters. When you get a real heavy rain like that, that's when it becomes epic. When I caught them common carp, the bowfin, the several 3 and 4 pound largemouth, big red ears and bluegill. So that's probably where I'm going to be Saturday, guys, so stay tuned.